Good day, Don Tuite for Engineering TV, talking to Michael Rooij at EPC. That we have before us on the table, Michael, a number of demos. Can you run through them for us?
Hi Don, thank you very much. I'll be glad to run through them for you. What we have here is EPC's latest wireless demonstration kits based on the A4WP standard. Here we have the EPC9113, and over here we have the EPC9114. The EPC9113 is a Class 3 coil with an amplifier that runs in the zero voltage switching Class D in differential mode and includes the pre-regulator with all the necessary controls to control the coil to the A4WP standard. In this setup, it will regulate the current, the power, and then of course the maximum voltage that this amplifier is capable of. So all the systems are built onto the single board. In the case of the EPC9114, we have all the same systems, except this is designed for lower power and only uses a single-ended version of the Class D amplifier. Let me turn it on so I can demonstrate it to you. It runs off a regular 19-volt laptop power supply, and as you can see here, the system is powered up and is delivering power to these Category 3 device loads. In this case, I have a converter that uses the power coming from the device board, which is unregulated, and creates a stable 5-volt USB power source. Over here I have a USB power meter, which is then connected to an iPhone. I can turn it on, and you can see there that the phone is turned on, is starting to charge, and here I can select the button to show how much power is going into the phone for charging purposes. On this side I've got a second load, and I can turn on the second device, and you can see here the one is at much higher charge, the one is at lower charge. The system has no problem handling it.
So one of the advantages of this is that you can charge so many devices at once. Do people really want to do that? What are some examples where this is practical?
Where this is practical is right here on this table. We can have these systems embedded in a conference room table where folks can power up their computers without all the cables all across the table. Another example is we can install this into an automotive vehicle in the center console or even the doors, and you can power your phone or charge your other devices in the car without having to plug it in. Another example could be at your local coffee shop, where you can be sitting enjoying your coffee, and instead of trying to find that elusive outlet, you can have in the table where you're enjoying your coffee, you can just simply put your phone down or your laptop computer, and it'll be powered there. And finally, also in hotel rooms, you can have on the bedside table, where you always struggle to find a power outlet, you can just merely put down your device on the bedside table and it will start to charge.
That's always a problem for me. Yep.
Yeah. Here we have an automobile application of wireless power provided by our partners here with GaN Electronics. In this center console has been a wireless power coil installed here and another one up here. Allow me to demonstrate using a simple LED light. In this case, we use the LED light to show that it is receiving power from the coil set, and then of course from the other one up here. Imagine if you're driving along and your cell phone runs out of battery and it starts to beep you that it's running out of battery. This is a safety issue, because now you don't have to worry about plugging it into the cigarette lighter of your car. You can have multiple devices plugged in. You can just simply drop your phone in here, or if it's installed, even into the cup holder or up here where it's easy for you to do so. This system is based on the A4WP standard.
This sounds exciting. Is there a way to get more information than just this short video?
Yes, we can direct you to our website at www.epc-co.com. We also have recently published a book on wireless power, which explains all the various standards and how to design systems and various amplifiers to the A4WP standard, and also the new multi-mode systems that we're looking into is all in this book, and it's available at DigiKey.